Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on airline tickets with Southwest, beginner guide step by step clearly. Finding affordable airline tickets can be a challenge. Consider Southwest Airlines for budget-friendly options. Start by visiting the official Southwest website. Create an account to access it. Use the flight search tool to explore destinations. Input your departure city and travel dates. Be flexible with your travel dates to find the cheapest fares. Check for special deals and promotions on the homepage. Sign up for Southwest's email alerts for price drops and sales. Consider utilizing the low fare calendar to see fare prices over a month. Look for wanna get away fares for the lowest options available. Book tickets in advance, but also keep an eye out for last-minute deals. Take advantage of Southwest's no-change fee policy to allow for flexible planning. Look into the Rapid Rewards program to earn points for future travel. Remember that points can also be redeemed for flights. Be aware of the companion pass for additional savings when flying with a friend. Check out Southwest's reverse auction feature, which allows you to bid on flights. Make use of their mobile app for on-the-go booking and notifications. Consider using a credit card that offers rewards on travel purchases with Southwest. Compare fares across different booking methods to ensure that you get the best deal. Keep an eye on seasonal sales and flash deals for extra savings. Finally, stay informed about any new policies regarding baggage fees or other charges. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to saving on your next Southwest flight. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.